Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how to create an API gateway in the Node.js using the HTTP proxy. Let's get started. An API gateway is a single entry point for all the client requests to your backend services. Means one entry endpoint for all the clients. Like take an example, we have a 4 or 5 microservices with the different APIs like slash order, slash product, slash customers. Okay, but all are running on the different ports, but I want to combine it in a one single entry point. How is it possible? This is possible using the API gateway, using the HTTP proxy. Okay, instead of directly calling different backend services which is running on a different ports, the client talks only to the gateway. The gateway then decides where to forward the request, applies authentication, logging, rate limiting, load balancing, or response transformation. This we call it as a different services. Whether you have a different thing for authentication, logging, you have different API, rate limiting, you have different. Okay, so now we are going to take an example of the food delivery app. So in the food delivery app, what we are trying to do is like they are using different services, payment methods, and the delivery person for interaction. Okay, so for me, the gateway is like the app, and the behind the scenes, what are they are working, we are not going to care about it. So instead, you just open the app, that is the API gateway, and the gateway does all the behind the scenes work. Find the restaurant services, connect to the payment services, assign a delivery services. Shows you the final result, that is your tracking. Okay, in tech terms, the client app, me at the client app, you just talk to the one system. API gateway, the app forwards your request to the right place. Services, restaurant, payment, delivery, the actual backend systems that do the work. So the API gateway is like the Swiggy Zomato app. You don't care about how many restaurants, delivery partners, or the payment system exist. You only talk to the one entry point, the app gateway. Let's take an example and try to understand what I'm gonna say this. Okay, so first of all, let's install this HTTP proxy. If you haven't installed it, so you have to install it. Here you can see that the number of downloads for this package is pretty much good, so make sure this is a good one, right? So let's go to the code level. Okay, so first of all, let's create the file. This is which file name is users, orders, products, and the gateway. Okay, so this is gateway.js. Here you can see http proxy. So create the proxy with the help of the http proxy dot create proxy. Okay, map the routes, backend services. So these are the services which is running on different ports, slash users, orders, products. Okay, then I'm going to create a gateway API one entry point. Okay, so create server request URL. Okay, so here object dot keys. So here this is the services, right? Services, find the path, starts with the path. Okay, if the service is there, then we are going to forward the request. Okay, then proxy, we are using proxy dot web. Okay, so one endpoint, and if something goes wrong, we are going to that service not found, and this is the API gateway running on this port. Okay, so let's take a look, and here we have different services that is running on 5001 port, slash users, slash orders, slash products. Okay, so let's run each of everything. So I will use nvm use node 16 for this. Okay, it is done. First of all, node orders dot js. Okay, next one we will go with node users dot js, node products dot js. Okay, the last one, that is node backend dot js. This is a proxy one. Okay, the backend is running on 880, right? So if I just open this one, so this is the local host, gateway. Oh, sorry, not backend, we have to go with the gateway. Okay, node gateway dot js. So this is our API gateway. Okay, so here we have 2000. If I go with this one slash users, see, user service is running on somewhere else port, right? Slash users slash orders, okay, and slash products. So there would be one endpoint. See, one endpoint, different services. So you can see that we have run three services, this first one, second, third, but the one endpoint we are using here you can say forwarding request of the users to this. Okay, so this is how you can do the how the API gateway we can create. Okay, so this is how we are going to do. If you want to make some scripts, so you can add the scripts like this also. Okay, so this is how the API gateway behaves. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.